Have to bend these clips right over here. Using 14 mm ring spanner or socket, lose all 6 bolts, remove all 6 nuts, and remove all safety locks, and remove the old sprocket, and clean the area. Reinstall the sprocket back. Check the ratings are facing above. Reinstalling all 3 safety locks. Reinstall all 6 nuts. Tight all 6 nuts properly. After locking the all locks, clean the front sprocket area. Apply grease to front sprocket and install new sprocket back. Install lean chain lock and install both bolts.